In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sticky columns overlapping in WordPress Elementor. When you're building pages with Elementor, sticky columns are a great way to keep important content visible as users scroll. But sometimes, those sticky columns can overlap other content or get cut off, which doesn't look professional. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to fix that by checking a few key settings: section overflow, z-index, padding and margins, and the sticky settings themselves. Start by editing the page with Elementor and selecting the parent section that contains your sticky column. Go to the layout settings for that section and then open the additional options. Here, look for the overflow setting. Make sure the overflow is set to default. If it's set to hidden, your sticky column might get cut off as it moves, because the section is not allowing content to extend beyond its boundaries. Simply switching this to default often fixes the issue of content being clipped. Next, we'll handle columns overlapping or hiding behind each other by adjusting the z-index. Select your sticky column and go to the Advanced tab. Then find the z-index field. The z-index controls which element appears on top when elements overlap. Set a value higher than the surrounding columns. Something like 10 or 20 is usually enough. If you have multiple sticky columns, make sure they don't all share the exact same z-index when stacking order matters. For example, you might give one column a z-index of 10 and another 20 to control which one appears in front. Now, check your padding and margins. Large top or bottom margins, and especially negative margins, can push elements into each other and cause overlapping. With your column selected, stay in the Advanced tab and look at the margin and padding settings. Reduce any large values and remove negative margins that may be pulling the sticky column too close to other content. Adjust these until the column has enough breathing room and no longer touches or overlaps neighboring elements when it sticks. Finally, confirm that your sticky settings are configured correctly. Select the column again, go to Advanced, then Motion Effects. Under Sticky, choose Top to make it stick to the top of the viewport as you scroll. If you've noticed issues on smaller screens, you can limit the sticky behavior to desktop only, since sticky effects on mobile often cause layout problems. Also, set an offset of around 10 to 20 pixels so the sticky column doesn't collide with a fixed header or navigation bar at the top. By walking through these checks and adjustments, you'll have sticky columns that behave smoothly and don't overlap or get cut off in Elementor.